What's up YouTube? It's your boy James back with another video. Today we're going to talk about the LeBron James Nike swingman jersey. If you could please take a second out of your time to hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel or haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. So about a week and a half ago, I was on the internet and I came across Macy's and I was searching around and I found this LeBron James Nike swingman jersey. And they retail for $110, but it was on sale for 82 bucks. So typically I don't buy swingman jerseys. I normally get like the authentic jerseys, whether it's the NBA, NFL, MLB, etc. But for 82 bucks, I was like, I'll give it a shot. I also grabbed this hat from there, and total for everything, it was $110 shipped. At the time of this video recording, Macy's still has the jersey for sale, but it is back up to the retail price of $110. So now let's take an up-close look at the jersey. So here we have a size large, and it's dry fit material. So it fits like a t-shirt, and the dry fit material repels water and sweat and things like that. This seems to have a bigger neckline than the 2019 version. And coming down, let's see here, we got the Nike swoosh, and that is heat pressed. The Lakers is also heat pressed, as well as the numbers on this jersey. You have the standard fit tag, NBA.com's tag. On the other side, you have the retail tag of $110. Moving down the jersey, you have a stitch jock tag. And you got that Nike Connect, which I don't think this does what they say it was gonna do when it first came out like last year. But it's on the jersey. Give you another shot of the front. Now let's take a look at the back. All right, starting at the top, you have your NBA logo that is heat pressed. Your lettering is also heat pressed. And the numbers, just like the front of the jersey. And let me throw this thing on and I'll show you what it looks like. So guys, there you have the review. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this a 7. It's affordable, it's lightweight, it's comfortable. I just prefer the the $300 jerseys where everything's stitched and it's got a little bit of weight to it. But for the summer, with it being hot, this is perfect. Dry fit technology, repels water and all that stuff, so it'll keep you cool and stuff like that. Let me know in the comments, guys, do you like the swingman jersey? Do you have one already? Are you planning on getting one? And as always, I appreciate any and all support. If you could take a moment out to hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel or haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. It does help tremendously. Until next time, peace!